Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Lavanya and I'm from Chhattisgarh. So I'm gonna tell you how to improve our spoken English. So without any delay, I start this video. So please listen to me carefully. 2024 about to end. The new year started. So
And with that, the 2024 season comes to an end. Good night.
don't waste your time. And you have any goal and you have any dream, so you can make your goal and you process your goal and you really want to achieve your goal, so start work your goal. So how to improve our spoken English? So I earlier also made that kind of video, and today why I made, because 2024, this is last video. So that's why I made this video, and you really want to improve your spoken English. So earlier I'm very underconfident, and when I speak, so at that times I'm fumble and even hesitation. But now I speak without hesitation. Why? Just because every day I talk. Sometimes I talk in audio call and sometimes I talk one-to-one conversation. So that's why I speak fluently. Sometimes I make mistake, because making mistake parts our learning. So don't think now I make mistake. Definitely. Why? Because now I am learning English. While we talk in Hindi language, so at that times sometimes we make mistake and sometimes we think. So that's the reason, and even we definitely achieve and we definitely go for another language. So definitely you fumble and underconfident and hesitation, because this is not our mother tongue and you really want to achieve your fluency. So first you make small goal. So what is the small goal I declare? So listen to me carefully and stay my video. You really want to become a fluent speaker, so please stay my video. Don't waste our time. Let's start the video. So active listening and passive listening. What is the active listening and what is the passive listening? So I gonna tell you what is the active listening. While we are listening, so at that time focus only for listening. This is the active listening. And what is the passive listening? When we do any work like house and chores and study related and another like game. So at that times we wear in earbuds. So at that times we normal types consume words. So that process, it's a passive listening. So you really want to improve your spoken English. So first you listen, active listening at least half an hour. You wear air in earbuds. So you listen. More you listen, you better you come. And speaking practice. What is the speaking practice? So you really want to achieve your fluency and speaking practice. So what is the speaking practice? Now I am speaking without hesitation, and I record my video. This is a speaking practice. And another, you are one-to-one conversation. So at that times we are feeling hesitation. Why? Because while we had video call, so we feeling nervousness and even fear also. because we are very underconfident. So you are feeling hesitation and underconfident and fear. So don't do. First you do your one-to-one conversation like audio call. There were number of apps, so you can go and find such a nice app and then you connect. You are interested to girl, connect, so you connect girl. You are interested to boy, so you are connect boy. And even while you remove your fear and while you remove your hesitation, so you go another step like one-to-one conversation like video call. So while you make video call, so you remove your hesitation because we connect eye contact, and we connect eye contact, so at that times what I mistake, and so at that times you record your session, and really you first whole video you watch and then you tick and then you mention what I made mistake. So you can go this video again and again and correct yourself. So you definitely push yourself and then achieve your fluency. And then you ignore again and again. So you didn't achieve your fluency. Why I am saying that kind of, why I am saying that kind of shadowing practice. And what is the shadowing practice? Now I am speaking and you are listening. Now I am speaking, you are listening, and you are a copy. My one word, you are a copy and you are speaking. And so that kind of process, this is shadowing practice. So don't wastage your time, and you can do like half an hour, 20 minutes, depend on your free time. So every day you at least half an hour and even 40 minutes every day you talk, mirror practice also, and even you talk in audio call. Every day you talk audio call, like 3 call every day you talk. What you talk? My name is Lavanya and I am from Chhattisgarh. So that kind of first you give your introduction. Why I am saying you really want to achieve your fluency and you really want to improve your spoken English. So without speaking, without listening, without consuming word, how is it possible learn this language? Because we are learner and you really want to achieve your fluency. So watching and even reading and writing and even listening. Why I am saying again and again, because every day I made video also, and every day one-to-one conversation also. And sometimes what happen, I make mistake lot. So at that times I go my session and then I'm listening more and more, and what I made mistake. So at that times I correct my mistake. Earlier I am make 2-3 types making repeatedly again and again I do mistake, like key when I talk keyword, and even like so that kind of I make mistake, and sometimes so that kind of silly. So in English language repeatedly again and again you made mistake, so it's crime. And in Hindi language, so there are no any crime because we are our mother tongue. English language, it's global language. So why I am saying again and again, you little enhance your body language and improve your introduction. Why? Just because when you are to go like explore another country and explore your job, so most important, English language. You have good at in English, so you easily fight your fear, fight your even hesitation, and you didn't have any, you can say, such a nice good command. So how to remove your fear and hesitation? And some people saying, Lavanya, 1 year, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, so it's enough for our English, spoken English, and you speaking fluently. So I suggest this is not our cup of tea. It's a long journey. We talk in Hindi every day. So that kind of, we talk in Hindi every day. So in English language, you talk in English language every day. So you definitely achieve your fluency. You pause your English. So how to improve your English? And when you pause, so at that times you are feeling underconfident and even hesitation. So that's why I am saying, don't pause you continue. You have, I already mentioned, there were, many apps, so you can go and even every day you talk in 20 minutes, 30 minutes, so it's enough for you. Why I am saying again and again, why I am saying make consistency again and again, just because first of all, consistency key of your success. Okay, so every day you make consistency, so definitely achieve your fluency. And you literally want to become a fluent speaker, so you write. Every day you write whatever you want to, like moral stories and even books also. I recommended one, two, three books related to English book. You really want to read that kind of book. So, and I also read that kind of book, English, related English. Rich Dad Poor Dad. What is the Rich Dad Poor Dad? This is this book recommended to build your financial and even build your confidence and how to grow your business. And another self-help book also I recommend, and another third book, Power of Subconscious Mind. So that kind of book you really want to read, so you achieve your vocabulary also, because you didn't have vocabulary. So how to connect and how to enhance your communication skills? So first you can every day, like while you go YouTube, so there are number of how to improve our spoken English and how to build our confidence and how to learn grammar. So there are number of videos, so you can go find such a nice video, and then every day you work your grammar, your vocabulary, and your pronunciation. Why I am again and again saying, when you read out loud, and when you read more and more, so there are number of vocabulary, so you easy to learn that kind of vocabulary and even advanced vocabulary. I'm not saying you want to more and more gain advanced vocabulary. You simple vocabulary every day you use, like easier, exactly, and even procrastination. Why I am saying procrastination? We are, sometimes what happened, we are sometimes that kind of silly types. We are again and again go for social media, and then we are scrolling our phone, and then didn't focus our goal. So that kind of vocabulary you, and even curriculum, and even so few days. What is the few days? Like angry, So that kind of vocabulary you read. Why I'm saying? Because there were number of vocabulary. You read at least one page and you write at least one page. So it's helpful your learning journey. It's a long life. When you now we are alive, so it's a like long life. No any foundation, no any time limited. Even native speaker also make mistake. Why? Because it's a normal thing. Yeah, we are a human nature, and you really want to improve your you are really want to enhance your communication skills and enhance your body language. So you read that kind of books. So you helpful your mind also and your personality. What is the communication skills? You know what is the communication skills? First, skills means first of all you talk without any hesitation, even stranger and even family, friends. You easy to talk. You talk more and more without hesitation and build your personality. You are a wearing what is the enhance your personality while you are wearing you mean to say ugly dresses, so you feel embarrassed and you really want to improve your communication skills and enhance your body language. So definitely you you read that kind of book. What is it? And you really achieve your fluency. Why I am saying again and again? Because we already wasted our 2024 and now started to 2025. So we literally wanted to go for higher level and you wanted to big goal. So you focus your study, you focus your goal. Don't waste your 2025 because we are already waste our 2024 because time is running. Why I am saying again and again? Just because we are already wasted our time. So don't waste your time and focus your goal. Whatever you want to achieve, whatever you want to achieve. Sometimes what happens, you literally want to like you literally want to good speaker, you literally want to good food, like make good food. So we first we go YouTube channel and there are number of related to cuisine, and then we go kitchen and then cook. What ingredients I put first and what ingredient again I put. So you are interested to learning cooking and you are interested to learning English. So both are not a big difference. Both are equally. We are cooking every day. So now we have good command on cooking. And you literally again and again repeatedly you are reading, writing and listening and consuming word, and even you are speaking again and again. Well, we read so out loud you are reading and you are speaking. Is you speak at least 30 minutes and 40 minutes every day without any hesitation. Hesitation. We are some make mistake and sometimes we are thinking we are thinking we are thinking why we are thinking like people judge, people make fun of me. And also earlier people make fun of me and people judge, but now I stay. and I know